Today I want to show you one of the really cool things and how you can get text exactly how you want it. So the first thing you want to do is open a design. The next you want to go to apps and you want to type in type cutout. It's all one word. And I want you to open that app. Here's where you can change what you actually want your text to say. So today we'll just do something for emergency medical services. The way you want your text is you're not going to be able to really drag and drop into here, but you can choose a file. So whatever you have saved that you want to use. So for this one, I'll use the Star of Life. Now I want this to be centered. If you had more than one word, you could change the line height there. I'm just doing this so you can see it. And then here is what it looks like. So now you actually have the distressed flag going through the EMS. This is great for stickers. You can use them and print them on shirts or anything like that. So once you put it to your design, what I would do is when I go to download it, I would just do it as a PNG and then save it with the transparent background. And so that's how you can actually get that design.